Today, we're going to learn the names of emergency vehicles. Are you ready? Let's get started.
This is a riot control vehicle.
A riot control vehicle protects police and helps keep big crowds safe.
This is a SWAT truck.
A SWAT truck carries special police teams for dangerous missions.
This is an armored police vehicle.
An armored police vehicle is very strong to protect officers in risky jobs.
This is a police helicopter.
A police helicopter flies high to search and follow suspects.
This is a police boat.
A police boat keeps people safe on rivers, lakes, and seas.
This is a police jet ski.
A police jet ski moves quickly on water to help in emergencies.
This is a search and rescue snowmobile.
A rescue snowmobile helps in snowy mountains.
This is a search and rescue helicopter.
A rescue helicopter looks for missing people from the air.
This is a mountain rescue vehicle.
A mountain rescue vehicle saves people in high mountains.
This is a fireboat.
A fireboat fights fires near the sea, lakes, or rivers.
This is a hazmat response truck.
A hazmat truck handles dangerous chemicals safely.
This is a disaster response truck.
A disaster truck helps people after big accidents or storms.
This is a Coast Guard ship.
A Coast Guard ship protects the sea and rescues people.
This is a Coast Guard helicopter.
A Coast Guard helicopter helps save people in the ocean.
This is a Coast Guard boat.
A Coast Guard boat keeps water safe and rescues sailors.
This is an emergency tow truck.
An emergency tow truck moves broken or crashed cars.
This is an emergency utility van.
An emergency van carries tools and helpers in crises.
This is a police car.
A police car helps officers respond quickly to emergencies and keep people safe.
This is a fire helicopter water bomber.
A fire helicopter drops water on forest fires.
This is a fireplane air tanker.
A fireplane sprays water or chemicals to stop big fires.
This is a search and rescue SUV.
A rescue ATV drives in rough places to save people.
This is a search and rescue ATV.
A rescue snowmobile helps in snowy mountains.
police motorcycle.
A police motorcycle moves fast in traffic to catch lawbreakers and help people in need.
This is a police van.
A police van carries officers or special equipment for big operations.
This is a police SUV.
A police SUV is strong and can drive on many roads to protect communities.
This is a police pickup truck.
A police pickup truck carries tools and works in tough areas.
This is a highway patrol car.
A highway patrol car keeps drivers safe on fast highways.
This is an ambulance van.
An ambulance van carries sick or injured people to the hospital.
This is a lifeguard ATV.
A lifeguard ATV drives on sand to reach swimmers in danger.
This is a fire truck engine.
A fire truck carries water and hoses to put out fires.
This is a fire ladder truck.
A fire ladder truck uses a big ladder to reach tall buildings.
This is a fire rescue truck.
A fire rescue truck helps save people trapped in accidents.
This is a fire tanker truck.
A fire tanker truck brings lots of water to fight fires.
This is a disaster response truck.
A disaster truck helps people after big accidents or storms.
This is a Coast Guard ship.
A Coast Guard ship protects the sea and rescues people.
This is a Coast Guard helicopter.
A Coast Guard helicopter helps save people in the ocean.
This is a Coast Guard boat.
A Coast Guard boat keeps water safe and rescues sailors.